Welcome back. We have something different today. We're gonna make some bead bracelets, and thanks to my new sponsor PCBWay, let's get into it.
But I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing.
After designing the bead channel, the grey one I printed myself, and the black one is from nylon from PCBWay. The numbers are really crisp. It's much sturdier. It's a little warped, but the quality is much better than what I printed myself. Yes, I know this is something different than soldering electrics and stuff like that, but during summer holiday I decided that everybody needs a bead bracelet, so that's why this video is here.
They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing, and I don't want to be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't want to let myself down, myself down. I don't want to let myself down, myself down.
The bracelet's nearly finished, but the next problem appeared. Where are we gonna put the bracelet when we're not wearing them? So we're gonna make a bracelet tree. I also use this tree as a learning curve, and you can see me struggling how to get the branches the right way. It took me a while to figure out. I can use sketches and some different tools in Fusion 360 to get it how I want it. Next challenge was to close the gaps on the branches. I used love to do that, but that did not work on the stem. I had to create a different solution for that. After the design, I rendered them in Fusion 360 and they look really beautiful. So I put PCBWay to the challenge, uploaded my designs, and let's see how they turn out.
A few moments later.
They really know how to package stuff, make sure nothing breaks in transport. Oh, nice, they added the goodie bag. The base looks really good. It's not sanded overall, it's a few places that's not even sanded, but I'm gonna use this material for another project again. This is what we've all been waiting for. How did they make my tree? I chose for the transparent and I'm really excited. Oh, there it is. Look at it shine. It's even better than I thought. Oh, this is something I cannot do with my own printer. Here we have the final results. This I printed on my own printer. If you see the back side, that's why that's facing the wall. And PCBWay, you can make your own decision, but I clearly have one favorite. Thanks to my patrons, thank you for your support, and it means a lot to me. I hope to see you in my next video, and be safe.